Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need the camera permission and a steady surface. Grant access now and open your camera or QR app. Hold the phone 6-12 inches from the code so the pattern fills the viewfinder. Once done, make sure the lens is clean and lighting is even. Harsh backlight creates glare. You'll see the QR square detected or a small prompt appear. Tap gently to steady the phone and don't move while autofocus locks. This helps the scanner read the code accurately. Aim so the QR code fills about 2/3 of the frame. Make sure all 4 corners are visible for reliable decoding. Once the camera detects the pattern, you'll get an on-screen prompt. Tap it to reveal the content. If scanning a business card or coupon, the preview will show a URL, contact card, or instructions. Read it before proceeding. If nothing appears, switch to a dedicated QR scanner app. It sometimes handles low. After previewing the content, decide. Open the link, save contact info, or cancel. You should confirm the URL or action before tapping to avoid unwanted downloads. Once you tap, follow on-screen steps. Sign in, save, or install, depending on the QR's purpose. If scanning fails repeatedly, reboot your camera app, try a different QR app, or increase lighting and steady your hands. One key troubleshooting tip: if the code is printed, ensure it isn't distorted. Ask for a clearer copy or scan from a screen at reduced brightness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.